Modern machine tools produce large amounts of data during the production process. However, this data often goes nowhere and remains unused. Through intelligent processing of the data, essential performance parameters of the machine tool can be increased, such as availability, machining quality, and productivity. With SINUMERIK Edge, Siemens offers the perfect solution to leverage the data. SINUMERIK Edge is a secure and open platform that generates value from data obtained right at the machine. The evaluation of high-frequency data is used to generate a digital fingerprint of the machine. In this way, failures can be anticipated and maintenance work can be optimized. The high-frequency data makes it possible to create a precise digital image of the workpiece and the associated processing conditions. Process parallel data analysis, as well as comparison of target and actual figures, enable a quality assessment during the production. With the help of state-of-the-art technologies, the productivity of the machine tool is increased through higher output and less resource consumption. SINUMERIK Edge is always up to date, with updates via MindSphere. This guarantees maximum safety and enables the distribution of new applications and features without additional service effort. A permanent connection to the cloud is not required, depending on the use case. SINUMERIK Edge can operate in a local-only state during production. Flexible interfaces enable communication, as well as the data transfer to any cloud and local IT system. The open platform enables customers to develop their own individual applications. Based on that, machine manufacturers and partners can realize new business models. The consistent separation of automation and edge computing ensures maximum safety of the machine operation. In addition, numerous security measures guarantee the protection of your sensitive data. With SINUMERIK Edge, you can quickly bring new capabilities to the machine tool for analyzing data, for maximum flexibility. Move forward into your digital future with Siemens platforms. SINUMERIK Edge. Secure, scalable, always up to date.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.